This home is conceived as a quiet architectural statement, where clarity, proportion, and material honesty shape the entire living experience. Inspired by a bold modern residence, the design embraces restraint rather than excess, allowing form and space to speak with confidence. From the first glance, the house feels grounded and intentional, offering a refined balance between solidity and openness. This narrative explores how architecture can feel powerful without shouting, and how a well-composed home can become both shelter and sculpture. The exterior composition is defined by strong horizontal volumes layered with precision. Clean lines, rectilinear forms, and carefully controlled voids create a facade that feels both monumental and elegant. Rather than decorative elements, the house relies on proportion and contrast to establish its identity. Solid surfaces anchor the structure, while recessed openings introduce depth and shadow. The result is a facade that changes character throughout the day as light interacts with its architectural planes. Material selection plays a central role in expressing the character of the house. Exposed concrete, dark stone, and metal accents are used not as trends, but as timeless architectural tools. These materials convey durability and permanence, reinforcing the house's sculptural presence. Their natural textures soften the overall composition, preventing the design from feeling cold. Together, they create a dialogue between rawness and refinement that defines the home's visual language. The entrance is intentionally understated, designed as a gradual transition rather than a dramatic reveal. A sheltered approach guides visitors inward, allowing the architecture to unfold slowly. This sequence establishes a sense of privacy and calm before entering the main living spaces. The door becomes more than an access point, it is a moment of pause. Once inside, the contrast between the solid exterior and the open interior becomes immediately apparent. Inside, the house opens into expansive spaces that flow seamlessly from one function to another. Walls are minimized, and spatial boundaries are defined by furniture placement and subtle changes in ceiling height. This openness encourages natural movement and visual continuity, making the home feel larger and more breathable. Despite its scale, the interior remains grounded, with strong architectural lines maintaining order and balance throughout the layout. The main living area acts as the heart of the house, where architecture frames daily life without dominating it. Large openings invite natural light deep into the space, enhancing textures and surfaces. Neutral tones create a calm backdrop, allowing light and shadow to animate the room. This space is designed for both quiet reflection and social gathering, proving that minimalism can be warm, inviting, and deeply human. The kitchen and dining areas are integrated into the open plan, reinforcing the sense of connection across the home. Clean-lined cabinetry and restrained finishes keep the focus on usability and clarity. The dining space is positioned as a social anchor, encouraging long conversations and shared moments. Here, design is not about spectacle, but about creating an environment where everyday rituals feel elevated and intentional. Bathrooms are designed as calm retreats, deliberately separated from the more active areas of the house. The architecture becomes quieter here, with softer lighting and a more enclosed atmosphere. Views are carefully framed to maintain privacy while still allowing a connection to the outdoors. These rooms prioritize rest and intimacy, demonstrating how architectural restraint can enhance comfort rather than limit it. Bathrooms continue the design language of the house through clean geometry and tactile materials. Stone surfaces, seamless fixtures, and simple lines create spaces that feel both functional and indulgent. Details are precise and intentional, with no unnecessary ornamentation. The luxury here lies in proportion, material quality, and thoughtful lighting, turning routine moments into refined experiences. What makes this house truly compelling is the consistency of its architectural vision. Every space, from exterior to interior, follows the same design logic. Materials, proportions, and spatial rhythms are repeated and refined, creating a strong sense of unity. The house feels composed rather than assembled, as if every element belongs exactly where it is. This harmony gives the architecture lasting relevance. In conclusion, this home demonstrates how powerful architecture can emerge from simplicity, discipline, and thoughtful design. Inspired by a modernist approach, it balances strength with serenity, openness with privacy. Rather than chasing trends, the house focuses on enduring values, space, light, and material honesty. It stands as an example of how contemporary residential design can be both bold and timeless, offering inspiration for future architectural living.